YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope back in the video. And JD Nation, what's down with it, man? Hey, look, bro. I was just getting ready and stuff like that. Well, like, I just finished taking my shower, finished brushing my teeth, flossing and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a morning routine. You know what I'm saying? On how I've been like doing my starter locks. Been getting my starter locks ready for the morning. It's early, bro, so I'm still trying to wake up. But yeah, bro, so as you see, this is day 4 of me having my locks, you know what I'm saying? So I guess I'm gonna call this like a day 4 get ready or morning routine with starter locks. I'm gonna figure the title out later, bro. But yeah, bro, anyway, man. So yeah, y'all see I sleep with my do-rag on. I'm about to say wave cap because I ain't got no waves. But do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? I need to go ahead and get me a bonnet though. So yeah, bro. But yeah, when I sleep, I don't put it in like a ponytail. I don't use no rubber band and nothing like that. I just put it behind my ear and just, you know, put a do-rag on. You feel me? But yeah, but that's what I've been doing for the past three nights so far, bro. But yeah, bro, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I mean, there we go. That's a little better. All right, so yeah, bro. Here we go. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, okay. You feel me? All right, cool. So, yeah, bro. What I do first is, what do I do first? What I've been doing first the past couple of days. So yeah, let me go get this out real quick. I'm tripping. This is like real impulsive. This is like real impulsive video. So I just thought about this and was like, you know what? Might as well. So as you can tell, I'm very unprepared right now. Don't mind me, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna do what it do. But yeah, bro. So this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? First, I just wake them up. You know what I'm saying? Just shake a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, all right. My nose kind of like stuffed up too, so if I sound a little stuffy, that's why I need to get my nasal spray. But anyway, man. But yeah, bro. So this is what they looking like. You feel me? Day 4, like I said. My starter locks. You feel me? But yeah, bro. So like I said in the last video, I got some new oils and stuff. So these is 2 oils that I got. I got some tea tree oil right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. Oh, let me do like the ladies be doing. Feel me? Bam, there we go. Hold up. Focus, bro. There we go. Boom. Tea tree. It is struggling right now. Boom, there we go. Tea tree oil. And then I got some Camille. Wow, I can't read. Camille Rose. I'm tripping. Rosemary oil. You feel me? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Yo, my focus is tripping, bro. But anyway, man. And then I got this. I forgot I had this. Some Cantu Mist leave-in conditioner. Let me see. Yeah, that. But yeah, bro. So what I do is just do a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Little shake. You feel me? And then what I do next is I just take some oil. I skip a day too, so I didn't do this yesterday. Doing it today. Today's Monday, so feel me? I just take a little bit of tea tree oil. You feel me? Yeah. A little bit of that. Put it on my fingertips, and then got it on my fingertips, and then I just massage. I said massage my scalp. You know what I'm saying? Get it in there. Get it in them pores. Feel me? Because I just finished taking a shower, so pores a little opened up. You know what I'm saying? Massage it for about a good 2 minutes, minute and a half, 2 minutes. So yeah, bro. This stimulates the scalp, you know what I'm saying? Gets the blood moving and flowing. Now, I didn't used to do this before I got my starter locks. Like I said, I was real lazy with my hair before getting starter locks. Like I wasn't doing nothing. But now, this is a new journey, so I gotta take it serious, you feel me? So yeah, bro, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just massaging the scalp, you know what I'm saying? Get up here in the front. All right, so finished that, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to take my rosemary oil, basically do the same thing. About to take some up in here. It's like a little like, I don't want to call it a sucker. But y'all know what these things is, bro. But just take some of this, put it along the middle, take some drops, you know what I'm saying? Put it along the hair. Feels good too, you know what I'm saying? Can't really put it on the back like that because it's gonna drip down. But y'all know what I mean. Alright. Get some in the crevices, the cracks and crevices and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that should be good. Alright, and then just put like a few drops on my fingertips, you know what I'm saying? Rub it together. Get some on my thumbs, and then I just massage it in too. Feel me? Basically the same step, just with the rosemary oil. I like this oil too, bro. It helps with cause I have a very like dry scalp. So like if I don't put no oil on it, bro, it's gonna flake up, have a lot of dandruff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm gonna just massage this in. Ooh, and I like it. Alright. Alright, so next, what I'm about to do is just take this mist right here. I seen some other mist that I seen on Instagram. I seen some other mist that I want to try on Instagram. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, I'm gonna get some of that and then see how that works out, because I had this for a long time, bro. I had this for a long time, but it still works, man. Gets the job done. But yeah, I want to try that, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, whoa. I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah. Then just kind of rub it in. You know what I'm saying? Kind of get it moving. You feel me? Yeah. I can officially shake. You know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. But yeah, ooh, got dizzy. You feel me? But yeah, man. So it's pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a better shot in my room so the lighting's a little better in here, but out there. And here is I look yellow. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. And then lastly, I just take a little bit of tea tree oil and put like a little down size in my hand, and then I just rub it together to seal in the mist. Just put it on my hair. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I'm a little fool in the morning, you know what I'm saying? But all right, then lastly, I just take my brush. Of course, y'all know I gotta temp taper and temp fade, all that good stuff. So I just brushed that down. You know what I'm saying? Just brush it down. Have it looking right and tight. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I got facial hair too now, so you know I gotta brush that down too. You feel me? But yeah, bro. And I do want my beard to get a little thicker. You know, so I want all this to fill in, but yeah, so I just took a little bit of oil and just put it on my, you know, just for good measure, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, do the back. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, lastly, I done got some B12 vitamins. You know what I'm saying? I haven't been taking my vitamins for years, bro, so I'm starting to get back on that, man. I just take one. You feel me? That's all you need. You can take it on an empty stomach. Whoa, can't talk. It's gonna give you energy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro, so. And then just let it dissolve in your mouth, and you good. That didn't sound right, though. All right, man, I'll see y'all in the room. Alright, YouTube, so I am back in my room, you know what I'm saying? Okay. But yeah, bro, so this is what we're looking like. Just to show y'all like a up close and personal. You know, looking real healthy, you know what I'm saying? Real nice. Why my focus is not focusing today? Alright, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Show y'all the back, the bite. Hopefully it's focused. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. So, yeah, man, that's what we looking like. That's really my morning routine that I've been doing for like, I'll do it a day and then I'll skip a day and then do it the next day. So, yeah, bro. So, that's what I've been doing, man, over these past couple of days, really. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I do plan on getting the bunny, like I said, though. I heard those are way better than do-rags. That's what I heard. I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, if you're new, like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. And once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, my clothing brand. Go ahead and check it out at gvo454.com. Also the IG, Good Vibes Only 454. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my other YouTube channels, NateJustDope. Well, Life with Nate and Nate's Closet, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so far my lot journey has been going good so far. Like I said, this is day 4. It's my 4th day out here, so I don't even know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, like I said, if y'all some dreadheads, y'all been on y'all lot journey for a good little minute, go ahead and leave me some advice, man, because I'm brand new to this, man, so I don't really know everything, you know what I'm saying? If y'all seen something wrong in my video or in my routine, let me know. Good criticism, you know what I'm saying? Good criticism, you feel me? But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So now, with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this thing. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use the thing. But we all so spoiled now.